Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Louisville, where we talk all things outdoor living. I am your host from Tough Deck Builders Louisville, and today we are going to the bottom of the deck, literally, to talk about footings and why they matter so much. Footings are the part of the structure that most homeowners never see. They sit below ground and support the posts that hold up your deck. If the footings are not done right, it does not matter how nice the decking or railings look. The deck can settle, tilt, or even become unsafe over time. In our area, footings need to be set to a proper depth to get below the frost line and into stable soil. That usually means digging deeper than most homeowners expect and using the right size and amount of concrete. Shallow footings are one of the most common issues we find on older or poorly built decks. They may look fine at first, but after a few seasons of weather, corners start to sink and the deck can feel uneven. Another problem we see is posts set directly into soil without proper concrete or hardware. When wood sits in damp soil, it can rot much faster, and the connection between the post and the footing can weaken. A better approach is to pour a solid concrete footing and use the right post base hardware to hold the post above the concrete, away from constant moisture. When we design a deck, we size the footings based on the load they need to carry. Larger decks, heavier materials, or features like hot tubs may require bigger or more footings. Pair that with durable surfaces, such as composite decking with performance similar to Fiberon, and you get a structure that is built to last from the ground up. At Tough Deck Builders Louisville, we treat footings as a critical part of the job, not an afterthought. You can reach our team at 502-677-4691 or visit toughdeckbuilderslouisville.com to learn more about our deck construction services and how we build for long-term stability. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Louisville. When you plan your next outdoor project, remember that the quality you cannot see under the ground is just as important as what you see on top.